Alright, so it's 24 hours later, so let's take a look at how our new screws are going to be able to fit into this case. So now the super glue has dried, and I'm going to use somewhat of some pointy type screw that is the same thread as CoCo's case, which is thread. So we're going to throw that in there, and we're going to start tapping it in slowly, and as you can see, it's much tighter, so that's working and creating a new thread for the normal case. So now this machine should allow us to use the original screws once again. Sorry, this is one-handed action here, so a little bit difficult. Yeah, there it goes. And working. Great, awesome. Fixed.